We have this Emory 356 Outlaw here that is on Brain Trail right now. I just want to do a little walk around and talk about it. This car was finished in 2009 for a collector that Rod, it was commissioned with Rod with. And the car was built up at the McMinnville location in Oregon prior to them coming down here. And the collector was a real prominent guy, and he spec'd a lot of the stuff, and pretty neat car. One of the neat things about it is on the wheels, they're custom wheels, but behind there, it looks like a drum brake, but it actually has the annular RS Spider style calipers on it. So it's a disc brakes all the way around. According to Rod, there was only 5 sets of these ever built. He still has parts to service them. There's also upgrades to this as well that he'd be welcome to work with the buyer with if they wanted to upgrade. But they're really cool brakes. They work really well. I've had it out and pretty impressive. But the annular brakes were the same as that were on the 550 Spiders and the Carrera cars that Porsche produced. So pretty neat parts. Coming around, the hood's been wrapped on this car. It has a center filled tank in it with a fuel cell in it. It's a fuel bladder. You got the fog lights, the hood straps, and all that type of stuff. Oh, the hood bar that goes down the center of the handle has been deleted on this car. Inside, you have speedster style GT seats, door panels, German wool carpet, Nardi steering wheel, all the gauges. You get the Emory Outlaw shift knob, leather straps, leather seats in the back. Really nicely done. I'll open up the engine cover here so we can come around and see the engine. Again, Outlaw badge, Emory Outlaw badge. That's the holy grail to get, and only on their cars. So this is a Polo motor, which is similar to what Rod is doing now. This was a predecessor, and Porsche came out and tried to do this and was going to make a production, but decided not to. Dean developed this motor, which is a 4-cylinder 911 motor, basically 2 cylinders cut off. They use 3.6 P&Cs on it. It's about 185 horsepower, runs really strong. It's a dual plug engine. Cool exhaust system. It's got great sound. By far one of the fastest 356s I've ever driven. It just really puts the power down. Also has a Porsche 901 5-speed. To do that, you have to put it in torsion bars and tube, and so it's different than how a regular 356 is. Really makes the car handle. If you watch the driving video, I'm hustling the car pretty good, and it just really sticks to the road nicely. Let's kind of come around. Beautiful paint on the car, no flaws or issues with any of that. Just look how nice the doors close on this car. You just don't see that on a 356. It's really a testament to Rod building just a fabulous car back then that it still is this good. Rod did work on this car in 2018, did some service stuff to it, and checked it over. But beautiful, beautiful Emory build, great 356, lots of power, starts up and runs really nicely. Doors close, all the fitment on it is just amazing. So any questions, let us know. We're happy to help out. If you need a shipping quote, happy to help out. If you're interested in 911 or selling or representing a car for you, hit us up as well. Use the contact seller button. Thank you very much.